We are the Generation 8.
We are living in a world
Where you never lose time.
where mobile is key.
Where sustainability excites.
Where life sounds great.
Where your journey is twice the fun.
Where you look ahead.
Where light will brighten your mood.
Where your touch controls everything.
This is where life happens. Today and tomorrow.
2019 is the year of new Volkswagen, a new beginning. Like the Beetle, the Golf is one of the very few constants in the automotive world. A whole generation has been named after Golf. It's now time for its next generation. The Golf is a true ambassador of our brand. It's a trustful partner. It stands for reliability, technology, innovation, and perfection. So far, 35 million customers have decided to buy a Volkswagen Golf. It's by far the most successful Volkswagen ever built.
Each Golf generation has been part of its respective chapters in recent history. It has been a part of our common values, our needs and beliefs as a society.
Visually, we are supporting this fresh start with a brand new logo. Everybody on Earth can recognize it, and each child can draw it.
Just like the new Volkswagen logo, the Golf 8 is all about precision and clarity. With its unique light signature, the Golf 8 is also unmistakable by night. Today, we experience the most sporty, dynamic Golf of all times and the best example for the term precision. The massive C-pillar is a key design element of the Golf. The Generation 8 takes its original expression of safety to an even more powerful, sporty level. The Golf 8 is ready for a future where everything seems possible. Like the Golf generations in the past, it will be a part of our lives. In increasingly complex times, the new Golf offers an intuitive and natural user experience. The Golf 8 feels familiar from the beginning.
Our new Golf is always on. It gives access to a completely new range of online services and functions.
The Innovision Cockpit is a game changer for the driver. Depending on the situation, it only shows the relevant options individually optimized.
Until now, assisted driving at the press of a single button was mostly a futuristic dream. But now, with the new Golf, Travel Assist makes it become reality.
The Golf is like a good and trusted friend. It introduces you to new technologies in a safe way.
A windscreen head-up display projects key information directly into the driver's line of sight. The new diesel engines are prime examples of eco-friendliness. It's because they generate up to 17% lower CO2 emission, and more than that, they emit about 80% less nitrogen oxides. The new Golf will be the first Volkswagen to launch with mild hybrid versions, and the 48-volt electric drive system improves the fuel economy by as much as 10%. We will also be offering the Golf as a plug-in hybrid, and we're gonna have two versions of this. One generating 150 kilowatt, and the very sporty GTE on top of that with 180 kilowatt. Here at the Cubing Center, it's all about attention to detail. Volkswagen specialists take the exact measures of production vehicles, and they ensure that all bodies are produced according to my reference. we are setting the benchmark in the compact class with an exceptionally high level of quality.
The future of Volkswagen begins with the new Golf.